Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find LCM of two numbers. We will be solving three examples in this video. So let's start with the first example, which is finding the LCM of 12 and 18. So LCM, as the name suggests, is least common multiple. That means for finding the LCM or the multiple of the two numbers, we need to write the multiples of both the numbers separately and find out the common multiple. But instead of writing the multiples of big numbers like 24, 36, 27, instead of that method of writing multiples, we can use a method where we can find the LCM of the two numbers using factors. So here we are going to write the two numbers 12 and 18 and we'll divide the two numbers by their factors. As both the numbers are even numbers, so 2 is a factor of both the numbers, so we can divide both the numbers by 2. 2 times 6 is 12 and 2 times 9 is 18. Out of 6 and 9, 6 is an even number, so we can again use 2 to divide 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 9 is not fully divisible, so we'll write it as is. Now 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3. So we are going to use 3 as the factor. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. Now 3 is a prime number and it is only divisible by number 3. Now for finding the LCM of 12 and 18, we need to take the product of all the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder. So this will be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12 and 12 times 3 is 36. So the LCM of the two numbers 12 and 18 is 36. Let's move on to our next example and find the LCM of 24 and 36. Here too we are going to use the same method where we are going to write the two numbers in a single ladder and will divide the number by their prime factors. So as both the numbers are even, we are going to use 2 as the divisor. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16. Again 12 and 18 are even numbers, we can use 2 to divide the two numbers. 2 times 6 is 12 and 2 times 9 is 18. Out of 6 and 9, 6 is divisible by 2, so we are going to use 2. 2 times 3 is 6 and 9 is not fully divisible, so we'll write it as is. Next 3 and 9 are divisible by number 3. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. And number 3 is divisible by number 3. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 1 is 3. Now for finding the LCM of 24 and 36, we are going to take the product of all the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder. So this is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24 and 24 times 3 is 72. So the LCM of the two numbers 24 and 36 is 72. Now we'll move on to our last example where we are going to find the LCM of 9 and 27. So in the single ladder we are going to write the two numbers 9 and 27. Now as both the numbers are odd numbers, we can use 3 to divide the two numbers. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 9 is 27. Again 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. Now 3 is divisible by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So the LCM of the two numbers 9 and 27 will be the product of all the numbers on the left hand side of the ladder, which is 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So the LCM of 9 and 27 is 27. So this is how we can find the LCM of the two numbers easily by using the factor method or the prime factorization method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.